Stop letting your Revit families break when you flex them. Today, we are picking up right where we left off to take this chair from basic geometry to fully parametric power. We are adding the critical parameters that give you total control over every dimension. But here is the trick to keep everything aligning quickly and accurately without a single warning error. You must follow the golden rules of parametric modeling. If you don't know, please look our previous videos. The link is given in the description. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the model. Now we will check this model. It's fully parametric chair or not. Just click on the family types and change the minor value like 6 inches its width and 6 inches the length of the table part, and we see this is not a fully parametric model because its back should be moved with the table length. So we need to define the parameters for its back part. So just click on the back elevation now, and now we use the reference plans. Just click here. Now again we will take another reference plan. Okay, now we will use the align command. Click on this edge and press and click on this reference plan. Now press the lock button and lock this value. Now again click on this edge and click on the reference plan and lock it again. Here we will use dimensions of both new reference plans. Now we will assign a parameter to these dimensions like back width, but we will use the instance parameter instead of type because we need to use a formula inside. So we will use instance parameter here. Click OK. Now click on a view, and now again click on family types. Here we will see the back width. Now here we will assign the length equal to back width. So just type here equal to length and apply. Now you can see width has changed, but now we need to lock it again. Now we'll take another reference plan that will connect in the middle of the back part. So we will use the command rp from the keyboard and once more here, but it should be in the center of the back part. We will use manage and snaps, check none and only midpoint choose, then click OK. Now we will use the reference plan rp, and now the middle part of the back part. Just click here. Now take dimensions. Yes, it's equal now. And click on equality. Now align the middle reference with this one, and now you can see it's fully connected here. Just lock it. Now click here and change the values. Now like length should be 3 and width should be 3, and check it now. Yes, it's working. So if it's 4 feet and here is 4 feet, it's 3 feet. Sorry, 3 feet. Apply here and you can see it's perfectly working here. Just look at backside. It's visible. The side is over from the back end. It's wide because its width is same as the front of the table side. So by using formula, we will adjust it. Just click on the family type and length minus 1.78.5 inches. Apply and look at now. Yes, it's almost perfect now. So it's working. Now we will change the size again, 4 feet and 4 feet, and let's check it. Yes, it's working fine. 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6 inches. Apply and okay. Okay, this is parametric chair now, and it's adjust automatically as we want.